Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin, and today I'm here in Mount Airy, Ohio, just outside of Cincinnati, and I'm going to be looking at everybody's treehouse. Now, this is a community project treehouse in Mount Airy Forest, and they designed this treehouse for literally anyone. It's wheelchair accessible, and it's free in this public park. I've actually never been here before, so this will be interesting to me. Apparently people come here from all over the world. One of the park rangers online said that someone came from Korea because they'd heard about it. So yeah. I've also never been in an actual treehouse in my life before, so this will probably be the closest I ever get. So you can already see we're off the ground. Now, a lot of these trees are actually living. So, for example, this tree right here is still alive. And you can see where it, like, digs into the tree. And then here must be the actual tree house itself. It's really interesting looking. Let's see. So we have what's probably a chair. Someone left their lotto ticket here. And honestly, just looking out like at the woods out here, they like continue to go down as they go further in, so it does give you the idea that you're way higher up than you are. So I mean, we're pretty high up, about 20-30 feet maybe. But if you look down towards there as it slopes down more, it does appear like you're higher up. So let's actually go and look inside the actual tree house. So it does look like there's lights in here, or a light, but it's not on for some reason. Lots of people have written on here in chalk. And just, I hope that you guys can see it well, just looking at all the trees going through. I mean, these are literally just trees. You can look down the forest floor below. So then we have a plaque over here. And it basically just says that this is the universally accessible treehouse project. Who made it? There's all their donators. So you can even look out the windows here. It's honestly just like a really nice place. It actually has a fire code thing, if you guys can see that. You can have 49 people in here at one time, apparently. Which, honestly seems kind of high. Unless they mean this whole structure in general. So, you can look down there. Those are the trees that go through it. It's just, I don't know, it's really cool to me that these trees are still alive and they just grow straight. I mean, they were built around it. Yeah, so this is everybody's treehouse. It's in the Mount Airy Forest. It's outside of Cincinnati. Pretty interesting place. I would definitely consider checking it out. I've heard that it's often very busy, but I came here, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and there is no one here other than a few people just walking around in the park. So it's definitely worth checking out. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I post videos every Wednesday.